You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, it is confusing because, yes, you might have guessed it, or maybe you're here to confirm it. There are two different pronunciations in English for it. And it's not UK, US. Both pronunciations are used on both sides of the Atlantic. Divulge, divulge, with a stress on the first syllable, divulge. The alternative pronunciation is as divulge, divulge, with a stress on the second syllable, so divulge or divulge. And yes, now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.